Hey guys, here I will help you fix the unable to install iOS 18 software update issues on your iPhone, or related installation error. Here are quick checks for pro users. First, check compatibility. iOS 18 is available on iPhone XR and later. Second is free storage. Ensure at least 5 GB of free space. We covered in this tutorial. Third is stable Wi-Fi. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network. Avoid using cellular data for updates. Fourth is battery charge. Ensure your iPhone has over 50% charge or keep it charged during the installation. The fifth solution is to restart the iPhone. Restart the device to refresh the system. Sixth solution is delete update file. Remove and re-download the iOS 18 update from iPhone storage. The seventh solution is reset network settings. We don't lose any data doing this. Helps to fix all network issues. Turning off the restriction settings during the installation is also helpful. Under the screen time settings, turn off content and privacy restrictions toggle. Go back and check again. The eighth solution is to update via iTunes Finder and connect to a computer to update. The ninth solution is to use recovery mode, force restarts and restore if stuck. Check the video description for step-by-step guide. Now let's check each solution briefly. First, you should check your iPhone storage. Under the Settings app, tap on General and tap on iPhone Storage. See the total free space before the installation. You need at least 5 to 7 gigabytes of space to install the new iOS smoothly. If not, delete unwanted large videos, photos, and screenshots from here, or delete unwanted apps and games to quickly free up space. In addition, you must delete the old iOS file. Download the new file from the software update and try to install it. During the software update, you need a stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid using cellular data for updates. Ensure that the VPN is disabled, or turn off completely, or remove the VPN profile from your iPhone. Once you delete the iOS update file or remove VPN, force restart is required. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Then, only press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Once you turn on your iPhone, check again. Hope your issue is fixed. Still, if you are facing the same issue, then I recommend to reset network settings. Before that, keep your Wi-Fi password on hand. After reset, your saved Wi-Fi password only deleted from your iPhone and join again with the reliable Wi-Fi network. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to General and again scroll to Last on the screen. Now, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone option and tap on Reset. Select the Reset Network Settings option and enter your iPhone lock screen passcode. Verify and tap on Reset Network Settings. That's it. Wait for your iPhone complete the reboot process. Again, connect your Wi-Fi first and check under the software update. If there is a problem with your network connection, know any alternate option is use your Mac or Windows PC for iPhone update. For macOS Catalina or later, connect your iPhone to a Mac and open Finder. Select your iPhone in the Finder sidebar and click Check for Update. Complete the process. For Windows or macOS Mojave or earlier, connect your iPhone to a PC and open iTunes. Select your iPhone and click Check for Update. This process is very easy and most helpful. Still, your iPhone cannot update normally and installation stuck, then try to update in recovery mode. We made separate video on how to put your iPhone in recovery mode for software update. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos.